if you're driving on Toronto Road, here's the thing. So, just past behind me, approaching Hillcrest Drive. Slow down. Yeah, you have to go like 30 kilometers, 20. Yeah, they did really like dug all these pipes, so it's really like wet. So if you're going northbound, yeah, so this is what you're going to have to deal with. So you have to slowly go a bit to the left. Yeah, and kind of like use the center lane and then pass through. Yeah, they really dug up on some part of driveway, so it sucks for people getting out of in and out of their driveways, driving or walking. By the way, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see kind of something like this. So you have to sort of go around and look how deep this is. Yeah, so yeah, a few days ago they completely blocked it, but now they have this. So people had to sort of in north instead to go around. So anyone who's trying to use Fraser Street, which is right behind me, and right St. Anthony Catholic Elementary School. Now they're not gonna have to deal with anything. Yeah, all they have to do is still slow down, probably 20 kilometers, and then abide by the 40-kilometer rule on this street. Since there's a school here, and then there's also a public school over there. Canaraska Trail, public. So yeah, there's a crossing guard not too far away. So it's a slowdown zone. So coming out of this spot by Wakely Disposals, which is just behind this fence. To the road, and then there'll be someone just blocking half of the street and erecting that sign that yield, and so go on this side, and they're going to trying to make people a gate that goes up and down, and then also a traffic light, red, yellow, green, and so they didn't really announce how long this is going to take, but it's going to take quite a long just to finish this, since this is North America. This isn't like Japan, where they like fix something up like quickly, like or some other Asian countries. And we do like to joke around saying that there's two seasons, winter and construction, because that is true. A lot of no passing signs erected over there, and on the other side by Percival Street. This is not a good time to visit Port Hope regarding construction. Yeah, just do and use Lavinia Street pass and then go on back on to because this is not something people really want, and those who have to commute from the uptown area to the downtown area, or vice versa, and also getting to the other side of town. It is going to be very difficult for people to do that. And also, if you're taking Route 8, Wheel-Trans, yeah, it's going to like come a bit later, and even if you look at the schedule, you might miss it. So just come earlier, and because you don't know what might happen. That always happened with transit. Even in small towns like Port Hope and also Coburg. But Coburg doesn't have like this kind of problem, because Port Hope is a smaller town, and if you shut one thing down, it's inconvenience to everyone. So like this Wheel-Trans Route A stop like right behind me. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So it's either show up there or independent. And if you're not Northumberland resident, yeah, this is why rely on Google Maps and Waze